Hi guys and welcome. I am Candice, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today I just wanted to do this quick video on how to use the new stamp cleaning pad that is going to be in the new 2019-2020 annual catalog. So when I first got this, I had no idea what this. I was like, what do I need another stamp pad for? We got this chamois. We have this scrubbing pad. What do we need this for? Well, this helps get to basically clean your dirty stamps. So, like for example, I'm playing around with my Everything is Rosy kit. Here's a card that I just made. And with the sentiment, I used Mellow Mambo ink. And so, let me see if you guys can see it. And as you can see, this is really pink here. Okay, so when you're using your stamping pad, you have to stamp off any excess ink. The first time I used it, I didn't do that. But you want to stamp off any excess ink. Okay, then you're going to take your pad here, and you're just going to do some tapping. Just okay, and now if you look at it, it's not as pink anymore. Okay, and so you then want to clean it with a dry cloth. And I'm trying to see, do I have one lying around? And I do, but I don't feel like reaching over for it. But what I used was this. It's not dry, but it's a little damp, but it's okay. Clean it off. And then, now look at it. It's very clear now. Well, it's not very clear, but you can tell it's not pink. And so the next thing you're going to want to do is go take this and run this underneath some water. So that's what I'm going to do with both this and this, is go run this underneath some water. So that is how you use the upcoming stamp cleaning pad. And this is not something you have to do after each and every time you stamp. Like you may maybe want to do this once a month or something if you want to conserve the liquid that's in the pad or something like that. So, alrighty. So thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.